We've just been authorized to paint the bottom of this Boston Whaler 18-footer, but looking at it closely, we can see that it's leaking. Now this is an old patch, old repair that was done. It's leaking. So first we're going to do to repair this, we got to grind it out. We got to let the water drain out, and that could take a while. All right, so we got it all ground out. You can see it's pretty wet in there, but now we're just going to let it sit for the weekend, let it drain, and then we can repair it. All right, we finished grinding here, so now we've got this hole, and it's pretty dry, but we're going to put a product in there. I'll show you in a second. This is the product we're filling the cavity with. It's Pettit Z-Spar, or Z-Spar as we say in Canada, and a splash zone. So it's 2 parts, it's 1-to-1 mixture, and this is what it looks like. It's mixed, and it takes about 4 hours to cure. So this one's been a few hours, and it's already pretty hard. We put the paste in there. I wasn't here when he did it, so we missed that, and now it's been glassed over. So we're just waiting for the glass to cure, then we will sand it, fair it. We sanded and faired the fiberglass. We filled it with a 3M waterproof filler. That's what you want to use when it's under the water line, anywhere where it might get wet. And now we're all ready for painting. Last step was put the bottom paint on. Now we're all done. So I better get going because I brought my bike to work and it's getting dark. Thanks for watching.